In today's video, what I want to do is go through the top 8 ways that people are making money online right now in 2022. Now, if I was to make this video in, let's say, 1940, 1950, then maybe I'll say things like horse carriage repair, maybe some sort of farming service business, even a local butcher's. But of course, we're in 2022, so I want to go through exactly how majority of people are making money by using the internet, including myself. So if you find any value in this video at any point, don't forget to press the like button. It really helps out the channel in a big way. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification. Let's get right into it. All right, so one of the first ways that majority of people are making money online, and how I also got started when it came to making money online initially over 10 years ago, was with an eBay business. So a lot of people neglect the fact that you can actually still make money on eBay. People think that it's an auction site or it's just a site where you're going to be selling things from around the house, when realistically there's over 200 million active visitors that go onto eBay every single month, which means that that's a great opportunity for anyone out there that's looking to start their e-commerce business by using the eBay platform. There's sellers that are making $50,000 a month, $100,000 a month. There's even a seller that's making over $5 million in revenue every single month from just one eBay store. So as I said, this is exactly how I got started when it came to making money online. I initially started by selling things from around my house. I was able to build up my initial capital that I now use to buy stock from China. I imported that to my house and then I listed them on the eBay website, and then I started selling them every single day. And from me rinse and repeating that entire process in terms of finding winning products that were selling well, finding suppliers in China, and then importing those products into the UK and then listing them on my eBay store, I was able to build up an eBay store that eventually did over £1.5 million, which is over $1.8 million in revenue. All right, so moving on to the second way that majority of people are making money through the internet is with blog websites. And before you click off this video, I know you're probably thinking, Sam, no one reads blogs anymore, no one uses them, no one starts them, no one cares about blogs, so how exactly can you make money with a blog? And to be very honest with you, this is exactly what I thought myself, because I've had many blogs in the past that I used to make money from and I ended up closing them down, when in reality, Google is the #1 website in the entire world, and a large portion of Google is actually made up of various different blogs. And there's so many different interesting statistics that you guys need to be aware of when it comes to blogs. Like for example, each month, approximately over 409 million people view more than 20 billion pages on various different blog websites. There's around 70 million blog articles that are being created every single month by WordPress users. And there's around 77 million new comments that are being left on various different blog posts all throughout the entire internet. And the reason why I'm giving you guys these facts is because it shows that there's a lot of attention that is still going towards blogs, and wherever there's attention, there's going to be money. You can make money with affiliate links. You can also make money when it comes to selling your own products or services. You can make money with Google AdSense. So similar to how you clicked on this video and you probably saw an ad at the start of the video, you can put those same similar ads on a blog website. So when someone's scrolling through, even though it might not be a video ad, it might just be a picture ad, but that blog owner is going to get paid for the fact that someone scrolled past the ad. So swiftly moving on to the third way that you guys can make money online right now is with an Amazon business. And when it comes to starting an Amazon business, there's 2 main ways that you can do it. You can either do Amazon FBA, which is where you're going to import products from places like China, and then you're going to ship it to an Amazon warehouse. And whenever you make a sale, Amazon is going to fulfill the order to your customers. Or you can do something called Amazon FBM, which is fulfilled by merchant. Now, this is where you're going to ship out the orders yourself. So whichever option you decide to go with, you're going to be able to sign up to Amazon. Once you get your Amazon account approved, you're now going to start listing products, making sure that you're using Amazon SEO, which again is Amazon search engine optimization, so that you can get your Amazon listings ranked as high as possible in the Amazon search results. And one question that I get a lot of on this channel is, Sam, do I need a registered business for me to be able to list products on Amazon? And the answer to that is no. You don't necessarily need a registered business for you to be able to list products and start making sales. But in my experience of building Amazon businesses, one thing I've noticed is that they definitely favor people or companies that are registered, and you're able to prove that you're registered, you're able to prove that you've got some sort of business bank account as well. Reason being is because Amazon tends to prioritize the sellers that have a registered company, because maybe in their opinion, they see these people or these companies as someone that's going to provide a really good service to their customers. However, on the flip side, if you're just a normal person that's selling stuff from your house, listing products on Amazon, there's a chance that you may get pushed further down in the search results. However, if you're able to prove to Amazon that you've got a registered company and you've got a bank account and everything is in your company's name, you're going to be shown to more customers. And that's why it might be a good idea for you to register your Amazon business as a limited company so that you're going to be able to get your company certificate. And then from there, you can now upload that certificate in your Amazon account so that there's a chance that Amazon is now going to push you out to more and more customers. And one of the companies that's going to be able to help you through this entire process is a company called Awesome. So if you've never heard of Awesome before, they're a bookkeeping and accounting company that mainly specializes with helping e-commerce and business owners. And there's so many different things that they do, for example, accounting, bookkeeping, but one of the things that they can help you with is company formation. So if you're someone that's confused about the entire process and you need someone to walk you through step by step and help you with everything, Awesome are going to be able to do that, because at the moment they've got an offer where you're going to be able to pay £12, and if you pay £12, they're going to be able to not only give you a registered company, but they're also going to be able to help you when it comes to getting your business bank account, which again is very important when it comes to selling on Amazon. And not only when it comes to selling on Amazon, but you're going to need a business bank account for your e-commerce business in general. For example, if you decide to branch out to eBay, or if you decide to get your own website in the future, all of these things in terms of the company formation as well as the business bank account is going to be very, very useful. So signing up to Awesome and benefiting from the fact that you can get your business registered as well as a business bank account, and all you need to do is pay £12, is definitely going to be an investment in your e-commerce business in general. So make sure if you want to benefit from this discount, you use the link in my description down below. So moving on to the next way that majority of people are making money online right now is with a newsletter. And if you don't know what a newsletter is, it's simply an email that you're going to send out about a specific topic or subject. And you can either send out the email once a week, maybe 3 times a week, every single day. The schedule is completely down to you. But the beauty of building a newsletter is that you're going to be able to build a direct communication with a specific audience. And there's so many different ways that people are monetizing their newsletters. Like, for example, you can put affiliate links in your emails, which means that when someone now clicks on one of those links, you're going to be able to get a commission if they sign up for that product or that service. Not only that, you're also going to be able to sell your own products if you want to. The possibilities are endless when you've got direct communication with a specific person that you know exactly what they're interested in. And there's 2 main ways that people like to structure their newsletters. You can either have a paid newsletter, which means that someone's going to need to pay you maybe a monthly fee for them to have access to the emails, or you can have a completely free newsletter where someone is going to sign up to it. They don't need to pay anything up front, and maybe now and then you might put affiliate links that's not necessarily going to cost that person any extra money. They're going to be happy because they're getting valuable emails about a specific topic. You're happy because you're making commissions from the affiliate link, and it's just a win-win situation. So moving on to the next way that you can make money online, and how a lot of people are making money online right now, is with YouTube automation. So when it comes to starting a YouTube channel, you don't necessarily need to start one like how I'm doing right now, where I'm sitting in front of the camera and talking, making videos every single day. Now, I enjoy this, but I know there's a lot of you guys out there that wouldn't necessarily enjoy it. And when I say YouTube automation, this is simply where you're going to find someone else, whether it's a voiceover actor that's going to do all of the voiceovers for all of your videos, so you don't even have to talk. And you're also going to find a graphic designer and a video editor for them to create the actual video, and maybe even hire someone else to do the script writing for the video. And this is basically what YouTube automation is. And essentially, you're just going to be the person that's investing into all of these different people, and they're going to create a video for you. They're going to upload it, and you're going to be the person to make sure that everything is running smoothly. Okay, so the next method of making money online that's been growing year after year is teaching, online consultancy, as well as online training. So the day and age that we live in right now, a lot of people don't necessarily believe in the traditional way of education in terms of going to college or university. And because of that, a lot of people are seeking alternative methods for them to get their education. Like, for example, I went to university and studied accounting and finance, but I don't believe that any of my lecturers ever was an accountant or ever ran an accountancy firm. So them trying to teach me on how to become an accountant may not be the best way for me, because they don't know the small nuances and the small details that an actual accountant would know. And that's why the online education industry has grown over the past 10 years, because people would rather go to people like me that has run e-commerce businesses to get the information, because they know that they're getting it straight from the source. So if you're currently in a position where you've got some sort of skill that you know is going to benefit someone else, there's most likely a lot of you guys that are watching this video that probably speak 2 different languages, and you may be able to teach the second language to a lot of people out there that want to learn that language. Or there might be a lot of you out there that are probably women that have had kids, and maybe you can start some sort of online education company about how to be a mum, how to raise kids, how to give birth, all of that type of stuff. So many people are making hundreds of thousands of dollars every single year by doing this. So it's definitely something that you might want to consider. And swiftly moving on to the seventh way that you can make money online right now in 2022 is with a digital agency. And I know that this sounds kind of broad and you're probably thinking, Sam, what is a digital agency? Well, in the world that we live in right now, there's so many different businesses that are going to need assistance with so many different elements of their business, specifically when it comes to the digital side of their business. So to give you an example, you can start an SEO company, which is a search engine optimization company where you help businesses rank on places like Google, YouTube, places like that. Or you can even be an agency that helps when it comes to running different types of paid ads. For example, a Google ad agency, a TikTok ad agency, Facebook ad agency. There's so many different types of digital agencies that you can start. And one of the benefits of starting this type of business is that the digital economy is only going to get bigger and bigger, which means that your business is only going to grow alongside it. And one of the final ways that I'm going to speak about in this video when it comes to making money online is with a dropshipping business. So I know I've already spoken about platforms like eBay and Amazon, but dropshipping is completely different because this could be done on any one of those platforms, including Shopify. And Shopify, if you don't know, is a platform that allows you to create your own e-commerce website, which means that you're going to be able to sign up for Shopify if you want to use the 14-day trial link in my description down below. And once you sign up for it, you're going to be able to get your website set up in a matter of minutes. And then from that point, it's all about figuring out how you're going to get people onto your website by either using free methods, for example, organic TikTok, or you can use paid ads, for example, TikTok ads, Google ads. There's so many different methods that you guys can use when it comes to getting people onto your website. And as long as you've built a really good optimized website, as soon as customers land on your page, they're more likely to convert rather than just bounce off and go to a different place. Now, of course, there's a lot more that goes into it. I just went through the basics just so that you guys understand the process of building a dropshipping website. But if you want to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago where I broke down the basics that you need to know when it comes to starting a dropshipping business from scratch for complete beginners, I'm going to leave that video right there. You can check that one out straight after this video. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Hit the bell notification so that YouTube can let you know when a new video has been released. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.